Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Mario and Luigi join this video. Today, I want to show you how to make yuzu syrup. Yuzu is a Japanese citrus. I show you yuzu. So, this is yuzu. It is like between lemon and orange. And if you squeeze, and if you smell the peel, it's so fragrant. I like the smell. And some of you know, yuzu is very famous around the world these days. You can buy yuzu a lot in winter. But yuzu, you cannot eat like orange. So you have to use for making jams or making syrup like today. Or you use the peel or juice for making sweets or savory dishes. The other day, 2 years ago, my family and I visited Kochi Prefecture. Kochi Prefecture is one of the famous yuzu production, which is southwest part of Honshu, Japan. Since then, I really liked it. We use yuzu and rock sugar, and that's the old ingredients. So I hope it's easy to make. So shall we start? Okay, let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so here's the yuzu. It's done, it's 1 week later. So I pour hot water into the yuzu syrup. So half cup hot water and 2 tablespoons yuzu syrup. Itadakimasu. It's very refreshing and very fruity. And you can enjoy the flavor of yuzu a lot. And after drinking yuzu juice, you can eat the yuzu peel because you thinly sliced, so it's easy to eat. It was my first time to make yuzu juice at home, but I'm sure this is going to be one of the favorite homemade juice. So how was the yuzu syrup video today? I hope it's easy, simple, and yummy. And I'm thinking to serve this yuzu juice in my cooking class in this winter. So if you want to try tasting mine, please come to my cooking class in Tokyo. For more information, I put down below, or please access www.yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. That's my cooking class address. So I'm looking forward to meeting all of you and enjoy cooking together. See you next time. Bye bye.